Today on the farm, we are going to show you how we plant our sugar beets. Sugar beets is something that a lot of people don't necessarily grow, but we grew them last year. We're super pleased with the results. We made sugar. We'll link that video below. And so this time we're going to take you through step by step the process. So obviously first step, starting the beets. So we'll show you that in 1 second. But first I'm going to show you my helper here, hard at work. She is in charge of watering tonight. It has been a hot day. It's been about
39 degrees.
39 with
39, but it was 30.
30, but felt like 39 with the Humidex. That's right. So needless to say, everything's thirsty. We are just waiting for this storm to come. Alex is hard at work with our watering, making sure everything stays alive and healthy. She's working on our dwarf curled kale there, but we're going to show you how to plant these sugar beets.
I'm not a huge fan of kale, though.
You're not a huge fan of kale, but you'll eat it if I put it in front of you.
I tried it, though.
So we actually started this process yesterday with soaking the beets. You want to soak the seeds for about 24 hours. We kind of always aim for overnight, but there you can see they're kind of floating and kind of engorged, I guess you could say, with absorbing that moisture. So we kind of worked it out. Our plan was to do 6 12-foot rows. Now, we counted out the seeds to hopefully have about the right amount. So I've done 5 rows so far. I might have to do a 6th. We'll see. You want your rows 10 inches apart. We like them to be enough that you could kind of walk down the middle. We tend to pick some of the greens for rabbits and things like that, which also makes it helpful. But these do get quite thick, very similar to kale or any other type of beet where you get that big leafy plant on top. We're going to plant ours 3 inches apart from the get-go. What the packet actually recommends is planting a seed every 1 to 2 inches, but we're not doing it that way because I can't stand thinning and wasting. So going with the same method we did last year, the advantage to this year is we are way ahead of last year. We didn't plant these till the end of June last year. So we're a good 3 weeks ahead, which we're hoping is going to make a significant difference on our harvest. So we're going to get busy. I've already got my rows here, trenches dug. You want these to be about 1 inch deep, your seeds. So we're going to drop them in every 3 inches. Come back, cover them up, and make sure these are good and watered. All right, so here you can see our spacing. There's one. There's one. I ended up going a little bit closer to the 2-inch mark, mostly because I had way more seeds than I've spaced for. But we have 7 rows here. We're going to get them covered up and watered. Alex has been doing amazing at the watering, almost done everything.
But my sandals have gotten pretty muddy.
Yeah, your sandals have gotten very dirty. And we've got another helper out here with our sugar beets. He's watering our trenches before we cover these seeds up. Doing a great job. So be sure to subscribe so that you see our update on these and how we do this year. I'll be sure to link below the video on our sugar beet harvest last year or above, whichever corner it comes in. And I'll also make sure I link the harvest, the initial harvest out of the garden. We don't have a video of planting from last year, but we do have our harvest, which was weak. But it was our first time, and this time we're going in with a full bang, so hopefully we have better results. But we did get sugar, and we have big plans for this year, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.
And don't forget, happy gardening!